Hi there. Now let me teach you how to fix that server not connecting error on Omegle. So well, technically I don't have the problem on my end, so if I have, here's what I'm gonna do, so please follow me. By the way, this is how the server error looks like. This is a screenshot sample, so you have an idea what you should expect. First things first, let's see that Safari, and I already am in Omegle right now. What I want you to do first is click on the tab and look for website settings. Should be this one. And then please make sure the request desktop website is enabled. It's green. This one over here. Make sure it's green. And then camera and then microphone. Please make sure that they're always on allow. Also for microphone. Okay then, perfect. Now that we made sure of that, I want you to go back and look for your settings. From settings, I want you to go and look for Safari. It should be this one. Let me hold that for you so it will be highlighted. Now once you're in Safari, I want you to look on clear browsing history and website data. So what I'm gonna do here is, or what I'm saying is that what this thing will do is clear any cookies or cache that you have stored on Safari or browsing history that we have. So technically we're just removing or making a clean slate on Safari. There should be an error or any surfing error on your Omegle, that's why it's having that error connecting a server. Anyway, if you click this one and click clear history and data, I'm pretty sure by this time you can already use Omegle without any problem. However, let's just say you're still having that problem. For one more reason you're still having it, this is the last option that I may suggest to you guys. Go to App Store, look for any VPN. Personally, this is the one I'm using, Nord, but it has a you need to pay for this. There's a lot of free VPN here. Just look for them, install them, enable it, and then use Omegle. So that's how you fix that server not connecting on Omegle. Please hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you.